Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if OPPO A94 5G has a fingerprint scanner. So in order to do this, let's open our settings and from here navigate to the biometrics and passwords. Now let's click on add fingerprint and continue. Here we'll need to add or confirm the password. Use it anyway. Okay. And this means this phone has a fingerprint located right here in the bottom place of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.